Hi, hello, how are you all? Hope you're all doing good. So, today we are going to discuss IMO Level 2 sample paper for grade 6. Here, 18th question. Find the number of perpendicular bisectors drawn to a line. Okay. So, here, perpendicular bisectors means what? Bisectors means actually it is making into half, correct half. Okay, so there is only one perpendicular bisector. We can only draw one perpendicular bisectors into a line because it has to be divided into equal parts. Okay, equal to. So only one perpendicular bisectors can be drawn to a line. So the option A is the correct answer. Option A 1. Next question. Manish wrote 15 1/3 pages on his storybook on Saturday and 17 7/12 on Sunday. So, how many more did he write on Sunday than on Saturday? So, we have to, this is given in the mixed fraction. So, we have to convert this into normal fraction. Then we have to find out the difference. Then we can again convert this into mixed fraction. Okay. So, first, on Saturday, how many pages he wrote? Yes, 15 1/3. 15 1/3. And on Sunday, 77/12. Okay. So 15 1/3 means 45 plus 1/3. So that is a 46/3 is the normal fraction. And 77/12, when we convert this into 211/12. This is the normal fraction when we convert this into this mixed fractions, we get this. So now we have to subtract this. Okay. 211/12 minus 46/3. Okay. So we will get, this is 211 into 3, that is 633 minus 552/12, 3s are 36. Okay. So here it is 81/36. 81/36, or we can, when we simplify this into, we get, it is 9 9s are 81 and 9 4s are 36. So 9/4. Okay, 9/4. So when we convert this 9/4 into again mixed fraction, we will get 2 1/4. So 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9/4. So 9/4, when we convert this into mixed fraction, 2 1/4 is the answer. So our correct option is option A, that is 2 1/4. Next question. Select the correct option. So here you can see some of the pictures are given in the left side, and we have to match whether we have to select the correct option of the open net in the right side. Okay. So here, first picture you can see, when we open this, no, there is no chance. So here some parts are missing. So this is not the correct one. In the second case, you can see here something is missing. Okay, some 2 will not come here. 2 places will not come. One will come here also. So this is also not the correct one, triangular prism. And in the next case, you can see that is the pyramid. Okay, square pyramid. So square pyramid, this is the correct net diagram of that. And in the last one, that is a cuboid. This is not the correct open net diagram. So only C option is the correct one. Option C is the correct one. Next, find the value of this Roman numerals. So first one, A, CCL plus XXX V111 plus CXX minus LXV11. Okay. So here when we do this, CCL is, C is 100, 100 plus 100, 200 plus L is 50. So 250 plus this is XXXV. So 38, 3 times 10 and 8, 38 plus CXX, it is 120 minus 60 LX V11. Okay, so that is 67. Okay, this is 67. Okay. So here we will get the total 250 plus 38 plus 120 minus 67. We will get 341. So 341, the Roman numeral for 341 is, that is 3 times 300. Okay, 300 means what? 3C will come. C denotes 100. 3C will come. L is 40. Okay. L is 50, XL is 40, and 1. This is the Roman numeral for 341. Next, CXX1X plus LX11 minus CB plus XCB. So here in this case, CXX1X, it is 129 plus LX11, that is 60 and 2, that is 62 minus this is 105, that is 105 plus XC is 90 and V, that is 5, so 95. Okay, so when we did this, we will get 181. So Roman numerals for 181 is CL, okay? CL, C is 100, L is 50, okay? 150 and 3 times X, that is 180 and 181. 181 Roman numeral for. So that 22nd question. What is the minimum number of squares that must be shaded so that the line AB becomes a line of symmetry? So here we have to check whether which of the following, how many squares are to be shaded so that the line AB becomes line of symmetry. Minimum number of squares. Okay, so minimum number of squares that is to be shaded so that the line AB become a line of symmetry. So here you can see in the side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. See here 1, 2, this 2 triangles 3. Okay. And here this also 4. This is 4. 1, 2, this is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this is 6 and 7. Okay. So what we have to do here, we have to check for how many lines. Okay. Same. Okay. On both sides, we should have the same. Okay. Then AB will become the line of symmetry. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 are here. And here also more than that here. Okay. More than 8 is here. So to make it the AB as a line of symmetry, at least 7 lines, 7 squares must be shaded so that both the sides, so that the AB becomes the line of symmetry. So the correct option A, that is 7. At least 7 minimum number of squares that we shaded is 7. Okay. Next question. The difference between the place values of digit 5 in the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number formed by using the digits 2, 1, 5, 7 and 3, each digit should be used only once. So first we will make the greatest number with this. Okay, greatest number using these numbers 2, 1, 5, 7, 3. So to make the greatest number, what we will do here, we have to arrange these numbers in the descending order from the greatest to the smallest. So 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is the greatest number. And for the smallest number, we have to arrange this in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. This is the smallest number. Okay. So what we have to do is difference between the place values of digit 5. So here in this number, the place value of digit 5 is the 5000. It is in the thousands place minus. And in the smallest number, 5 is in the tens place. So its place value is 50. And we have to find out the difference here. 5000 minus 50. So 0, 5, 9, and this will become 4. 4950 is the correct answer. So here, option D, 4950 is the correct answer. Next question. Find the values of P, Q, and R. So here, a table is given here. First one, it is length is given in meter, breadth of the rectangle in meter, and area and perimeter is given. So here, PQ, some letters are denoted with P, Q, and R. So we have to find out the correct values for P, Q, as well as R. Okay. So first, P. First, we will find out P. Okay. So in that case, length is given and area is given. Okay. length and area is given. So from that, we can easily find out the breadth, right? So the formula to find out the area of rectangle, is equal to length into breadth. Okay. So here, length is given 19 and breadth it is given as P. So we will write P only, which is equal to area is given as 247. Okay. So to find out P, what we have to do 247 divided by, when we bring this 90 to the right side, it will become divide. So 247 divided by 90. Okay, 247 divided by 90 we have to do here. Okay. So here we will get 30. So the breadth is 13. Okay. 13 in the P, we get the value of P 30. Okay. Next, we will find out the value for Q. Okay. See here, Q first, it is not given. The area is not given, but perimeter is given. Okay. Perimeter is given. With perimeter, we will find out the value of breadth. So the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. That is the perimeter of rectangle. So which is equal to 2 into L plus, so 2 into L is given here, 32. 32 plus, instead of P, we can write Q. It is given as Q, right? We don't know, we have to find it. It's equal to 98. Okay. So we will, 32 plus Q will become what? This 2 when go to the right side, it will become divide 98 by 2, or which is equal to 32 plus Q is equal to 98 by 2. Okay, 98 by 2, it is 49. So Q is equal to 49. When we take this 32 right side, it will become subtraction. So Q is equal to 49 minus 32, which is equal to 17. Okay. So 17 is the answer for number. Answer we get for the value, that is value of Q is 17. Okay. One more value we have to find out. One more, that is the value of, that is R. R is what? Area. Okay. So if we know, we have find out the length and breadth of this. Okay. Length is 32 and breadth is 17. So we can easily find out the area of rectangles. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is here 32 and breadth is 17. So 13 into 17, which is equal to 14, 22, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So that is 554. 554 meter square. That is the area of that rectangle. So the correct option which matches all these values is option D. That is 13, 17 and 544. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Arrange the given steps in correct order of constructing an angle of 120 degree using ruler and compass. Okay, so we have to construct that angle. So 120 is an obtuse angle. Okay, so we have to construct that. And what are all the correct steps that we have to follow to construct this using ruler and compass? Okay, the first step it is given, draw any line PQ and take a point O on it. Okay. Second, place the pointer on the compasses at O and draw step an arc of convenient radius which cuts the line at A. Step 3, again without disturbing the radius on the compasses and with B as center, draw an arc which cuts the first arc at C. And step 4, without disturbing radius on compasses, draw an arc with A as center which cuts the first arc at B. And the step 5, join OC, angle COA is the required angle where it measure is 120 degree. So we have to arrange all the step in the order. Okay. So out of these 5 steps, which will come in the first? Okay. First, they have given one step. Okay. First step is that step only. There is no change. Okay. First one is the first only. Okay. We have to draw a line first. Okay. That has no change. Okay. Second one, place the pointer of the compass at O and draw step of an arc. Okay. That has also not changed. Okay. That is also correct. And the third one, again without disturbing. Okay. So that is wrong. Okay. Next, fourth step, without disturbing radius on compass. So next step, it will come 4. Then after that, then again without disturbing the radius on the compass, it will come like 3. Then that will come after that. Okay. And last, the 5 is the correct. Okay. There is only change in between 3 and 4. So the correct option is 1, 2, 4, 3, and 5. So option C is the correct one. This is the order that we have to arrange to draw the construct the angle 120 degree. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 3, and 5. Okay. The product of two numbers is 41,000, sorry, 4,40,720. And their HCF is 144. Find the LCM of two numbers. So there is a rule that we all know that HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So here it is given product of two numbers and their HCF is given. Okay. Product of two numbers and HCF is given. We have to find out LCM. Okay. So we can easily find out using this formula. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So HCF is 144. 144 into, we don't know, find here LCM is equal to 1. Product of two numbers is given as 4,14,720. Okay. So here, with that, for LCM, what we will get? 414720 divided by 144. When we take this into 144 to the right side, it will become division. Okay. So 4,14720 divided by 144. So 144, it is 2 times, that is 228, 288, sorry, 288, and here 1, 2, 8, 2. Okay, so once again, yes, here 14, here it is 6, this will become 9. Okay, so here this is becoming 10, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 6, 7. So 144 into 8 is 1152. Okay, so here we will get 7 minus 2, that is 5, 112. Again, 2 8s are 144 into 8 is 1152 and 1 0 is there. So 2880. So the LCM is 2880. So the correct option is option D, 2880. Next question. In the given rectangle ABCD, if length is increased by 3x and breadth is decreased by x, then find out the new perimeter. So here, in this rectangle, they are given. Some length and breadth is given. So 4x plus 2 is the length and 3x plus 4, 3x plus 1 is the width. Okay. So they are it is given. It is if length is increased by 3x. Already the length is 4x plus 2. We have to add 3x. And the new length will be 7x plus 2. And here, breadth is decreased by x. So 3x plus 1 plus x. So that is 2x, sorry. It is decreased by x. So that is 2x plus 1. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the perimeter. We get the new length and breadth. So using the formula 2 into L plus B to find out the perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B, 2 into 7x plus 2 plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2 into 9x plus 3. When we multiply this, 9 2s are 18x plus 3 2s are 6. So 18x plus 6 is the perimeter of the new rectangle. Okay. So the correct option is option A, 18x plus 6. Next question. There are 312 ducks, hens and pigs in a farm. All 32 pigs were shifted from a farm to another place. Okay. Now, the ratio of ducks and hens is 3:2. Find the number of ducks and hens respectively in the farm. Okay. So here, there are 312 ducks. Hence, total number of animals is 312. Okay. From that, all 32 pigs were shifted to some other place. Okay. So we will subtract 312 from, that is from 32. Okay. 32. So what we will get? Yes, we will get 280. So now the total, all the pigs were shifted, right? So now the total number of animals is 280. Okay. And the ratio of ducks and hens ratio, hens is given as 3:2. Okay, 3:2 they are given. That means what? Number of ducks and number of hens we don't know. So we are taking it as x. Okay, only we know the ratio. So we are taking it as x. Okay, so it is 3x plus 2x is total number, it is 280. Total number of ducks and hens is 280. 3x plus ratio is given. So we are taking the number of animals as x. So 3x plus 2x will be 280. So 5x plus 5x is equal to 280. Or we will get the x value of x as 280 by 5. Okay. 280 by 5, that is 56. So we get x as 56. So number of ducks and hens. There are 3x ducks and 2x hens. 3x means 3 into 56. 3 into 56 means it is 168. So 168 ducks and 2x means 2 into value of x is 56. 2 into 56. So that is 112. 112 hens. So 168 ducks and 112 hens are there in total in that farm. So the correct option is option B, 168 and 112. Next question, which of the following is a possible Roman number? Okay, so 4 options are given. So here from this, we have to find out which is a possible Roman number from this. Okay, so here, first one we can see that XL. XL and after that the C is coming here. So we can say that this is not a possible Roman number. And in the next case, D, C, D. Okay, C, D, then after C. This is also not a Roman. This is not the way we have to write the Roman number. Next, C, D, X, L, V. Okay, C, D, X, L, V. That is C, D means it is 400. XL means that is 40 and 5. So this is 445. Okay, so this is the correct way to write the possible Roman number. And next one, this is MCM. Okay, this is also not the way to write the Roman number. This is also wrong. Only 3C is the correct option, 445. Okay, so option C is the correct one. Next, find the number of angles formed in the given figure. Okay, so here we have to find out the number of angles formed in the given figure. Okay, so many number of angles it can form here. Okay, see, this is an angle, this is an angle, this total, this is an angle, this one, total, this one is angle, this is another angle, 180-degree angle, half angle. So many angles we can form here. Okay, so not 5, not 13, or not 50. So the option is none of these. None of these is the option. Okay. 31st question. A fruit seller placed 18 bananas, 13 oranges, and 20 apples in a fruit basket. Niharika bought 132 basket for a function. What is the total number of fruits she bought? Okay. So a fruit seller placed 18 bananas. 18 bananas and 13 oranges and 20 apples in a basket. Okay. And what Niharika did? Niharika bought 132 baskets. Okay, 132 baskets. So in a basket, fruit seller placed all these fruits. So we will find the total number of fruits like 18 plus 13 plus 20. That is total there are 51 fruits in total in one basket. So we have to find out how many fruits are there in 132 such baskets. Okay, so what we will do here 132 into 51. Okay. So 6,732 fruits are there in total 132 baskets. So our answer is option A, that is 6,732 fruits in total. Next question. The hexagonal pyramid has dash faces, dash edges, and dash vertices respectively. So here hexagonal pyramid. Okay. Hexagon is a figure which has 6 sides. Okay. So this has a hexagon is a figure with 6 sides. Okay. So hexagonal pyramid means it has 6 triangular faces. Okay. 6 triangular faces and 1 hexagon face. Okay. So total there will be 7 faces. Okay. 7 triangular face, 6 triangle faces and 1 base, that is hexagon. Okay. Hexagonal face. So for hexagonal pyramid, there will be 7 faces. Okay. There will be 7 faces and edges, all the edges like 12 edges will be there for this hexagonal pyramid, like 1, 3, 3, 3, like 6 faces, 6 vertices are 6 points are there for the hexagon. So there will be 12 edges. Okay. There will be 12 edges for this hexagonal pyramid and vertices is 7 vertices. Okay. Total 7 vertices will be there. Okay. 6 in the hexagon and 1 in the total triangles together. Okay. So 7 vertices will be there. So 7, 12 and 7 is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Puneet's age is 3 times as the age of his son. If the sum of their ages is 56 years, and then find the difference between their ages. So here Puneet's age is 3 times the age of his son. So let us take age of son is equal to x. So Puneet's age will be what? Puneet's age will be 3x because it is 3 times as his Puneet's age is 3 times as the age of his son. Puneet's age will be 3x. And sum of their ages is 56. That is x plus 3x. Sum of their ages is 56. Okay. So x plus 3x is 4x. 4x is equal to 56 or x is equal to okay. So here Puneet's age is 56 by 4. Okay, 56 by 4 we will get 40. So his son age is 14. So Puneet's age will be, so here this is the son's age. So Puneet's age will be 3 times as that of his son. So 3 into 14. So 3 into 14, that is a Puneet's age. Okay. That is 42. Okay. 42 is Puneet's age. And we have to find out the difference between their ages. Okay. Difference between their ages is 42 is Puneet's age, 14 is son's age. Difference is 12, that is 8, 3, 2. 28 is the difference between their ages. So the correct option is option A, that is 28. If 24, x, 36, 54 are in proportion, then find out the value of x. So if these numbers are in proportion, we can write this as 24 by x We can write like this if they are in proportion. 24 by x is equal to 36 by 54. Okay. Or from this, we can cross multiply here. 36 into x is equal to 24 into 54. Or x is equal to 24 into 54. When we have to take this 36 to the right side. So we will get the value of x, 36. 24 into 54. Okay. 24 into 54 is 1296. 1296 divided by 36. So 1296 divided by 36 is 36 only. 1296 divided by 36. 36 threes are 108. 1, 216. 36 6 are 260. So that is 36 only. So the value of x is 36. So the correct option is option B, that is 36. When they are in proportion, four numbers, they are in proportion, we can write like this, proportionality. Okay. Next question. The choice of the games of 35 children in a society are as follows. Okay, so you can see some letters here, C, B, F, and H, where C, B, F, and H stands for cricket, basketball, football, and hockey respectively. So which of the following games mostly liked by the children? Okay. So for that, what we have to do here, which of the letter is repeated more, that we have to check. Okay. Which of the letter here it is repeating. Okay, so we can see that here you can see. By examining this, okay, it is clear that H, okay, H is repeated many more times in this, okay. H is repeated, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. So H is repeating many more times. So we can say that the games which is mostly liked by the children is hockey. Okay, H is the correct answer. Next question. The length and breadth of a rectangle is 32 meter and 32 meter. Length and breadth of a rectangle is 32 meter and 16 meter respectively. If the perimeter of this rectangle is same as the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, then find the side of the equilateral triangle. So here what they have given here, length and breadth of a rectangle. Okay, length is 32 meter and breadth is 16 meter. And perimeter of the rectangle is same as that the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So here first we will find out the perimeter. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B, which is 2 into 32 plus 16. Okay. 2 into 32 plus 16, which is equal to 2 into 48, which is equal to 96. 96 centimeter, 96 meter is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. And in the question, it is said that perimeter of the rectangle is same as that of the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So perimeter of equilateral triangle, the formula is, what is the speciality about equilateral triangle? So equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal. Okay. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle, perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a. That is 3 times all the sides. Okay. We have to add all the sides, 3a. So 3a is equal to 96. Here they are given perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. So we get the perimeter of rectangle as 96. So we can write like this. 3a is equal to 96. Or from that, we will get the side of one side of equilateral triangle A as 96 divided by 3. So what we will get here, which is A is equal to 32. So the one side of equilateral triangle will be 32 meter. So the correct option is option D, that is 32.